Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 simple methods to check your Windows version on your laptop or PC. Whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, these methods will work perfectly. Let's jump into the first method. The first method uses the System Information tool, which gives you detailed information about your operating system. First, click on the Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Type System Information in the search bar. Click on System Information from the results to open it. Now you can see all the details about your Windows version. Look at the OS name field. This shows your Windows edition, such as Windows 10 Pro, Windows 11 Home, or whatever version you have installed. You can also see additional information like your system type, processor, and installed RAM. This method is perfect when you need comprehensive system details. The second method is even quicker using the Settings app. Press Windows key plus I together to open Settings directly, or click the Start menu and select the gear icon for Settings. Once Settings opens, look at the left sidebar and select System. Now scroll all the way down and click on About. Here you'll find your Windows specifications. This page displays your Windows edition under Windows specifications, the version number, the OS build number, and when your Windows was installed. This method is great because it also shows your device specifications like processor, RAM, and device ID. Now, let me show you the third method using Command Prompt. This is a favorite among tech enthusiasts because it's fast and works on any Windows version. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type CMD and press Enter to open Command Prompt. Now type this command, System Info, and press Enter. Wait a few seconds while it gathers information. Once it's done, you'll see a detailed list of your system information. Look for OS name and OS version near the top. This shows your complete Windows version information. For a quicker result, you can also type WinVer in the Run dialog, which opens a small About Windows box showing your version instantly. And there you have it, 3 easy methods to check your Windows version. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.